Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome back to EDU Society. Today we are going to discuss that if alpha, theta and gamma are the angles of a triangle ABC, then prove that sine alpha plus beta is equals to sine gamma. The second part, cos alpha plus beta over 2 is equals to sine gamma over 2. Third one is cos alpha plus beta is equals to minus cos gamma. And last one is tan alpha plus beta plus tan gamma is equals to 0. So all of these are very important results in trigonometry. So stay tuned till the end of the video. So we have alpha, beta and gamma. They are the angles of a triangle which we label as A, B and C. Then first proof is sine alpha plus beta is equals to sine gamma. Now as we know that the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is equals to 180 degrees. So if alpha, beta and gamma are the angles of a triangle, so it means their sum must be equals to 180 degrees. So now we want alpha plus beta is equals to gamma. It means we will keep alpha plus beta at the left side of equality and we will take gamma to the other side of equality. Now taking the left hand side alpha plus beta. We have taken left hand side sine alpha plus beta. So this is sine and putting the value of alpha plus beta which is 180 degrees minus gamma. So this is 180 minus gamma. It means the second quadrant. In the second quadrant the value of sine is positive. Again 180, this is an even multiple of 90 degrees. So sine will not be changed into its co-ratio and we have sine and the angle which is gamma, which is we have the right hand side. So in this way we have proved the very first result. Now we will do the second one. We have cos alpha plus beta over 2 is equals to sine gamma over 2. So again we will use the same concept that the sum of angle of triangles is equals to 180 degrees. Again in this case we have alpha plus beta at one side of equality and gamma to the other side. So we will form our equation accordingly. Now we have to find the value of alpha plus beta over 2. So it means we will divide the whole equation by 2. So from here we have alpha plus beta over 2 which is equals to 180 over 2, 90 degrees minus this is we have gamma over 2. So now we will use the left hand side which is cos alpha plus beta over 2 which is equals to cos, the value of alpha plus beta over 2 is 90 minus gamma over 2. So 90 minus angle. It means we are in the first quadrant, right? In the first quadrant all trigonometric ratios are positive. So it means the sign will be a positive sign. And this is a 90 which means 90 into 1. Since 1 is an odd multiple of 90 degrees, so it will change, the cos will change into its co-ratio. The co-ratio of cos is sine and the angle theta which is equals to gamma over 2. So which is equals to right hand side. So we have proved the second result. So the third one, using the same concept of the addition of triangle, the sum of which is equals to 180 degrees. So we have alpha plus beta is equals to minus cos gamma. So forming the equation accordingly. Now we will take the left hand side of the equality, cos alpha plus beta, which is equals to, this is, we have cos. Now we will put the value of alpha plus beta, which is equals to 180 degrees minus gamma. So this is 180 degrees minus gamma. It means second quadrant. In the second quadrant, the value of cos is negative. And 180 being an even multiple of 90 degree will not change the cos into its co-ratio, which is sine. So it means cos will be written as it is with its angle gamma. So which is right hand side. So all of these proofs uses the same technique and they are very easy. Now we have the last one. Tan alpha plus beta plus tan gamma is equals to 0. Starting with the same strategy, we have alpha plus beta plus gamma is equals to 180 degrees and alpha plus beta is equals to 180 degrees minus gamma. So applying tan alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is equals to 180 degrees minus gamma. 180 degree minus gamma, it means second quadrant in which the value of tan and its co-ratio is negative. So we have minus, and 180 because it is an even multiple of 90 degree, so tan will remain same. So we have minus tan gamma. So now we will put this value in this equation. Let me label it as 1. So putting the value in first equation, we have tan alpha plus beta is equals to minus tan gamma plus tan gamma. So this will be cancelled out and we have 0. I hope you like this video, which is very easy, simple and interesting also. So give this video a thumb up if you like this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. And don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you can get the update of every new video which is uploaded on my channel. Thank you.